So here's how you can use Teams on the iPad. Let me guide you through the way it functions on this device. So if this is your first time on Foxtecc, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. So of course, the way to get started is by going to the App Store and downloading the official the Microsoft Teams app, of course. And in it there, you have to just, get the app, install it. And when you open it up, you have two options. You can decide to use it as a guest or sign in with your account. If you go with the guest option, that means that you don't go through the sign in process, but at the bottom you have the join a meeting button. And this just means that if you want to join it every once in a while, like occasionally, and only if somebody shares a meeting with you, then you could use that option where you just paste the meeting ID shared and created by other people and also the passcode so you can authenticate yourself and join the meetings that way as the guest, of course. But if you need to use it more often and if you also want to create your own meetings, then it is necessary to create your account. So it works with the Microsoft account only. So if you don't have one, you're going to have to sign up. But if you do, then just sign in and you're going to get to this page and at this user interface where you can see your profile, the chats, and also the ability to join past meetings and have the history in here. But most importantly, the biggest difference in my opinion is the ability to create your own meeting links, right? So you can literally schedule it for a specific date and a time, but you can also just create a link as such, and that is the link which you can share with other members to join your meeting. So that is much more, you have like more options available when you go with the full version of the app when you sign in. But of course, you can also use it as a guest. So let me know in the comments below if you now have just a quick idea of how it works. For more tutorials and for all of the features which are part of the app in here, you can check out the rest of the channel and also subscribe so you don't miss the next videos like this one.